Ah, you gotta love Miami. Only in Miami can you have beautiful chickens in a major urban area. Brickell Chickens. What's up? What's up, bro? Yeah, you're not too happy, are you? You red rooster, you. You have a comment? How much rent are you paying in your Brickell condo? Yeah, sure. Show me your chicken butt. Now, be nice to the pigeons. Yeah, you're being kind of cocky, my friend. What about you? Oh yeah, you're a little camera shy. Look at him. You know, photography is not a crime. I'm taking pictures of chickens under the metrorail. I wonder if I'm going to get arrested. See what Carlos Miller has to say about that. Oh, you gotta love this. Brickell Chickens. Oh, what? What? There they go. Bye, you guys.